Everyone, in today's video I just want to show you a quick trick that I found out recently on how to leverage other YouTube channels, bigger channels in your niche so you can grow your channel. I'm pretty sure not all of you know about this, and I hope this is going to help you grow your YouTube channel. Let's go. So what I mean by leverage the other bigger channels community tab questions is this. So if you scroll through your YouTube via your phone, because this is exactly how I noticed that, you will see other bigger channels that you are following that are asking questions to their audience. So you know that they already have a big audience. You might not have an audience at all. You're starting and you want to know what type of videos you can create to help an audience in the same niche that you have with other bigger channels that you want to become like. So in this instance, we have the channel of Nate Black. And the question to his audience was, what kind of content convinces you to subscribe? 44%. So if you answer the question, it's going to give you the percentage of what people want. And the majority answered super valuable information. There you go. So you have an idea. So you know it's going to have to be valuable. So not entertaining, valuable in this niche, which is YouTube growth. So now, like if I continue, here you go, another one. Alexa Saroneya, same thing, she's in the YouTube growth niche, and the questions to our big audience was, what's currently your biggest struggle on YouTube? Again, it's to help people grow their YouTube channel. More specifically, it's targeted towards smaller channels like me. That's why I'm subscribed to her channel. And the majority answered, so I did answer, getting views and growing my audience. 52% answered the exact same response as what I did. So I know that if I create videos targeted towards getting views, growing an audience, that will probably attract a lot more people, that will help a lot more people that are in my same situation. And this is exactly why I'm creating videos that are helping me, but also can help you who is probably in the same situation trying to grow a YouTube channel. So my goal is to learn, and I want you to learn alongside me on how to grow and create the best YouTube channel you can create, whatever niche it is about. It could be about cooking, it could be about fitness, YouTube growth, whatever. As long as you follow channels that are in the same niche as yours, you will have the community tabs of these bigger channels asking questions to you because they want to create videos for you, their audience. So this is exactly what you need to do as well. So for me, I know that I need to create more videos about getting views and growing my audience, which is actually, helpful to me. That's exactly what I want to do. So the more I learn, the more I test, the more I can deliver to you guys as well and show you what's going on with what I'm doing as well and what you can do or not do to grow. So I hope this was really helpful. This really helped me, and I'm sure some people are going to find that very helpful as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If this was helpful at all, comment below, let me know that you didn't know, or let me know that you have used this method. I honestly didn't know about it. I just found out recently, and I'm starting to pay attention to that now to grow my channel. So I'll see you in the next video for new ways to grow your YouTube channel, new tips and tricks that I'm going to find out. I'm literally learning along the way, and I want to share everything I'm learning with you guys so you can benefit from that and get straight to the point to make money on YouTube. See you guys.